one that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. I'm Deasia, but you can call me D. This is day 7 of my Valentine's Day series. So I'm uploading a different Valentine's Day look for the 14 days of Valentine's. If you want to see how I achieved this heart candy look, I forgot what this candy is called. But if you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue on watching. Starting out with my eyebrows that need to be done really bad. I'm using my Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 4. I'm going to start by first brushing my eyebrows up. Next, I'm going to line the bottom, I'm going to line the top, and I'm going to shade in the middle really lightly to basically make it a natural brow. I don't really like the thick 3D brows that y'all be walking around with. That's not really for me, so this is how I do mine. To clean up under my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 3.75. Next, I'm going to brush up under my eyebrows. I'm going to blend up under my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm using this brown eyeliner pencil. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to be outlining my hearts with this. So right here, I'm going to draw like a little shadow type behind the heart, so it can be like come up as like 3D, you know what I mean? I'm looking at this part, y'all. I really look like I drink balls on my face, like. Next, I'm going in with my You Can Be Athena makeup paint palette, and I don't know what colors I'm gonna go in yet, but all of my colors are going to come from this palette. So when using this paint, you have to set it out there every time you lay it down. So I'm using the You Can Be setting powder that came with it. I'm going to put this on top of the paint and then go back on top of it with another layer of paint. And then after putting down that second layer of paint, I'm going to go back on top and set it again.
But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named, you know his name? Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
Okay, now to work on the shadow behind the heart, I'm going to fill that in with the black paints from the same palette. Now to work on my eyeshadow, I'm priming my lids with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. Okay, so for eyeshadow today, I'm using my Lisa Frank Morphe palette, and the first color I'm going to go in with is the yellow. Ignore it. I'm going to press this color in before I blend it. I'm just going to press it in until it's like vibrant like I want it, and I'm only going to do it in the front part of my eye. In the same palette, I'm using this pink, and I'm going to blend that in right with the yellow. So I started going back and forth in the pink and the yellow so I can, you know, not have too much pink, not have too much yellow, and not have a harsh line between the two. I want it to be like a smooth transition. Okay, switching palettes now. I'm using my Nikita Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with that light blue. My wrist is still bothering me in this video too, and yeah, y'all, like, the struggle is real. I'm staying in the same palette, and I'm going to go in with this green shade, and I'm going to apply this at the end of the blue, and then just keep going back and forth with the colors to make sure that the blend from the transition to one transition is really smooth. To create my eyeliner today, I'm using the NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Black. To add some glitter, or some shim shim, well, I like to call it, I'm using my Beats by Deb Cosmetics loose highlight glitter. Now to apply my foundation, but first I'm going to spray my brush. I'm going to use to blend my foundation with my setting spray, this Urban Decay setting spray, and then I'm using my foundation, the Estee Lauder foundation in Sage Cinnamon. For my concealer today, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I really love this concealer because it gives me like that extra highlighted look, and it dries down really fast, which can be like a good and bad thing. You just have to work quick when you're using this concealer. So being that this is like a tight area to put concealer in, I'm going to go in with my brush instead of using the beauty blender, and yeah, I'm just going to do it really carefully on both sides. Okay, y'all, so this was the hardest part of the whole entire look, doing letters. I am not good with painting letters on my face, and now that I'm going back to look at it, I should have did like box letters, but I was just doing regular letters, and I mean, It came out okay in the ending. I am using that red from the Athena makeup paint palette, and I just kept going over the letters over and over and over again until I got it dark enough. I was really freestyling the words that I wanted to put, and yeah. But these are my favorite candy. I really love sweethearts. And when I was in school, a lot of people in my class didn't like them, so I was always had like so many of them by the end of the day of Valentine's Day.
My love is blind, can you see my desires?
So this is a final look. I do love it. I feel like I could did the words better, but I'm not good with words, and I don't have the best steady hand right now. But I still feel like I did a really good job. Well, I know I did a really good job. Yeah. Yeah, I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. Follow my socials and my description, and I will see you guys in my next video.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me.